Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the movie folder and the subtitle file. This puts you in control immediately. Open your chosen subtitle editor and load the video so you can scrub while editing. Make sure you note frame rate and timing markers. They determine sync. Once done, search for glaring errors like wrong language tags or encoding issues, and change file encoding to UTF-8 if needed. This prepares the ground for precise timing and text edits without guessing. You now focus on editing content and timing together, because text without sync is unusable. In the editor, correct typos, shorten long lines, and add speaker labels where needed. Keep lines readable. Then use Video Scrub or Waveform View to nudge start and end times so subtitles match speech. Move blocks by small increments for natural flow. Make sure to preview multiple spots. Transitions and quick exchanges often need micro adjustments, so repeat until dialogue and on-screen text align. You finish by exporting the subtitle file in the format your player needs and setting UTF-8 encoding, then load it with the movie to test. Watch varied scenes to confirm persistent sync and correct character display. Make sure language tags match destination requirements. If timing is off, try reopening the project with the correct frame rate or use an automatic sync feature to align by speech. One key troubleshooting tip: if characters display incorrectly, change encoding to UTF.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.